Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix SmartGaga error code 1. First, let's start with some essential initial checks. A stable internet connection is crucial for the emulator's first run and updates, so please verify yours is active. Next, temporarily disable any antivirus software and your Windows firewall, as these can sometimes block the emulator. Finally, always launch SmartGaga by right-clicking and selecting Run as Administrator to ensure it has the necessary system privileges to operate correctly. Optimizing your system and keeping software updated is vital for smooth emulator performance. SmartGaga typically requires at least 2 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor. Ensure your PC meets these minimum specifications for optimal functionality. Outdated graphics drivers can cause various display issues, so update them regularly. Additionally, installing the latest Visual C++ redistributable packages and NET framework runtimes can resolve underlying software conflicts and improve stability. Adjusting your emulator settings can often resolve persistent errors. Start by clearing the SmartGaga cache, which helps eliminate any corrupted temporary files that might be causing issues. When configuring the emulator, it's best to avoid assigning all your CPU cores. For example, if you have 4 cores, use only 2. This prevents system instability. Also, identify and close any other demanding background applications that could be conflicting with SmartGaga or consuming too many resources. If previous steps haven't resolved the issue, a fresh start can be beneficial. Completely uninstall SmartGaga, then reinstall it into a different folder than before. This ensures no corrupted files remain. Many start engine failed errors, including error code 1, can be fixed by downloading and replacing specific engine files within the SmartGaga installation directory. If, after all these steps, the problem continues, it is advisable to contact SmartGaga's official support for more personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.